Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. And for this episode, you're going to find out why I named this channel the way I did. Today we're going to take a look at the pronunciation of 4 words. And they have different spellings and oh so confusing pronunciations. The first word is W-H-E-R-E. Looks like it should be pronounced here because you have the word here in there. Put a W in front of it, but it's not. It's where. Where. What? Yeah, where. Like we use it for asking about location. Where did you go? Where. Okay, where. But it has here. I know, but this one is pronounced where. Got it. Now, W-E-R-E. This too is a tricky one because it's pronounced where. It doesn't look anything like this where, and it doesn't make any sense because it's got the word ear in it. But when we put a W, the ear becomes an air. Where. I'm going to wear a jacket. I like to wear fun earrings. Where. Okay, now take W-E-R-E. How do we pronounce that? It looks like it should be the E making the E say the name because of the magic E rule, so it should be weir. But it's not. It's were. You were, they were, we were. We were so happy to be home. Were. We pronounce it like a not an ear. Huh? I told you this was confusing. Were. Then we have W-A-R. Looks like it should be pronounced war because the A-R makes the R sound. But not in this case. No. We pronounce W-A-R like it's an O-R. We pronounce it war. Una guerra in español. War. War. But I know it says war, but it's not. It's pronounced war. Let's review. Where. Where. Were. War. Why does English have so many words that don't follow any rules and just change at a whim, especially if it has a W to begin with? I don't know, but now you can read and pronounce this sentence, I hope. And it's a long one. English is at war with itself, with where, and were pronunciations. What? Want to do it again? English is at war with itself, with where, and were pronunciations. Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with where, were, or war? Or do you have a pronunciation request? You do? Leave it in the comments. Where? Right there in the comments. Peace, friends.